Hey there! Did you know that around 80% of people fail to stick to their New Year's resolutions? Crazy, right? So, why do we struggle with discipline even when we know how important it is? Stick around, and let's dive into this together. Alright, let's talk discipline. It's that magical ingredient that separates those who achieve their goals from those who don't. Whether it's hitting the gym, studying for exams, or just getting through your to-do list, discipline is critical for personal development and reaching those long-term goals. But how do we fix our relationship with it once and for all? Presentation of problem/challenge. So, here's the deal, maintaining discipline isn't as easy as it sounds. I mean, come on. We've all been there, procrastination kicks in, distractions are everywhere, and motivation just seems to vanish into thin air. Sometimes, you sit down to work, and suddenly, your phone becomes the most interesting thing in the world. Or you swear you'll start that project tomorrow, and tomorrow turns into next week. It's the same cycle, right? We know we need discipline, but life just gets in the way. So, what gives? Exploration/development. Let's talk about some effective strategies to improve our discipline. First up, setting clear goals is a game changer. If you don't know what you're aiming for, how will you ever hit the target? Break those big dreams into smaller, manageable chunks. Next, routines are your best friends. Creating a daily routine can help solidify discipline into your life. When things become a habit, they require less mental effort. And here's a pro tip, find an accountability partner. Share your goals with someone who can check in on you. It's way harder to slack off when someone else is in the loop, right? Climax/key moment. Now, let's hit a powerful insight. Self-compassion is crucial. We often beat ourselves up over setbacks, but here's the thing, everyone slips up now and then. When you mess up, instead of throwing in the towel, show yourself some kindness. Understand that discipline is a skill that takes time to develop. Embrace those setbacks as part of the learning process. This shift in mindset can lead to some serious breakthroughs in your discipline journey. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it all up, remember that discipline is not some magical trait you either have or don't have. It's a skill that you can develop over time. Set clear goals, create solid routines, and practice self-compassion. With these strategies in your toolkit, you'll be well on your way to fixing your relationship with discipline for good. Call to action, CTA, I'd love to hear from you. What challenges do you face when it comes to discipline? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my next one on building effective habits. You don't want to miss it. Catch you in the next video.